Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can play on multiplayer option like that and go to any server you want. First of all, you will have to open your browser and open Google Chrome or anything like so. For example, I'm using Google Chrome. If you have any other kind of browsers, it will still work for you. Now let's get here and click Minecraft servers, just like so, and add here 1.18, and we will have here all the servers possible of Minecraft. Let's check for this one. This one is Hypixel, I think, or SM Complex. Okay, and just like so, it will be loaded for you. Some of them will not work because you are not logged into a Minecraft account. So if you are, try restarting your client. Because I'm using cracked Minecraft, I can't really join this server. How can you, for example, how can you get a real Minecraft? You can just go to their website, Minecraft, just like so, and from here you can just click in this website and just get some Minecraft by clicking on here, computer or whatever mobile you want to use it on, device I mean, and you will have to buy something like this, or you can buy the deluxe collection, which gives you a lot of other options. Anyway, for us we are using the cracked one, so we will go again here, Minecraft and cracked servers 1.18, and let's see if we can get any servers. This one is not cracked. Okay, let's copy this one and see if it will work for us. Okay, you should join using username lolly, not lolly. Okay, so this one has a problem with usernames, which is kind of weird. I mean, let's copy this one and let's try it as well. And here we go. Your connection has been verified. Please reconnect. Okay, join server again. Okay, all of them needs a real Minecraft. So basically guys, if you don't have really a original Minecraft, you will not be able to join a lot of servers. Most of them are really they really need a real Minecraft because they are scared of hackers and stuff like that. So make sure that you get a real Minecraft, unlike mine, because I don't really play Minecraft that much. But if you really play Minecraft, you have to get a real one because it gives you a lot of options and a lot of advances than the other people. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.